hey, what if I can show you a way right now that you can make $100 per day? Yes, $100 right now just to get started. So I'm going to show you the method and I'm going to share with you the steps on how to do that. But even better, what if I tell you that you only need 1 hour per day to do this? Now you probably wonder, this guy's crazy. How is this possible? I'm going to show you how you can get this set up, how you can let someone else do it for you instead of you doing all the work. So if you don't believe me, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. This is not clickbaity because I've done it myself. It's proven, it's tested, it's something that I do most times because I'm always busy. I don't got time to do all the work. So what I start to do, I start to outsource and have other people do the groundwork for me. So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video right now so you can get started. You can do this too, and you can make $100 a day with just 1 hour off your time. You don't believe me? Watch this video. Now, you've probably seen these stats right now and you're wondering, why are these numbers are here? I'm going to share with you. So for a million, you're looking at 1.97%. 100,000 to 1 million, we're looking at 2.05%. 20,000 to 100,000, 2.5. 5K to 200 to 5K to 20,000, you're looking at 2.43%. And 1K to 5, we're looking at 5.60%. So you don't believe me? Watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you how to set up everything. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to go over to good old ClickBank. So we have to find a product. We have to find something to promote because without something to promote, we cannot make any money. Yes, this is affiliate marketing. Do you have to do the groundwork yourself? Absolutely not. You do not. So you're going to learn how you can outsource, how you can have other people do the work for you, and money is just going to come in just because you're only going to be doing an hour per day. That's right, an hour a day, and you make $100 right away just to set everything up. So the reason why I'm over on this side is because it's all about that. One of the huge industry right now is, DIY. So DIY, and if you come through here, you will see a ton of different products that you could choose from. You can, for this method, you can do so much. You could go over to the spiritual niche. If you like spiritual stuff, you can come over here and there's a manifestation, there's neurology, there's 75% commission, there's 7-day prior miracle, there's blockbuster personal development hit, all these things that you can make money. So as I mentioned before, we're going to be going over to, we're going to go to the woodworking. So woodworking, and this is converting pretty well. It's been doing good. And you can get 2 sales and you make $100. Now, the method that I'm going to share with you, you can even make more. So I'm being conservative and I'm letting you know that, hey, this is something that you could do to really scale your business and you can get started. Now, what you want to do is we're going to be promoting this. I'm going to show you how to set up an easy put together landing page, right? So if you low on cash as well, I'm going to show you how to do that, right? So want to copy this affiliate link. We're going to copy the link. And when we do copy the link, we're going to head on over to bit.ly.com. We'll go to bit.ly.com. We're going to create this link. So for right now, this link is here. We're going to come back and we're going to grab this link. But the next thing we're going to be doing is we need to find the traffic source that's going to bring in the money so we are able to make the $100 per day with an hour of work. So we want to head on over to Instagram. And we're going to go to Instagram and we're going to already start searching. There's a lot of these Instagram accounts. There's woodworking lovers. If you type in woodworking, and you scroll down, you'll see endless of different accounts to choose from. Now, most of these accounts, they do shout outs. You can You know, you pay them money and then they'll do shout outs for you. And we want to make sure that some of these accounts are good. We want to ensure that they have good engagement. We want to ensure that people actually following them, because most of these accounts, they have, you will see 162,000 people and there's absolutely no engagement. Most of them, they just buy followers, and we have a way around that, that we're going to find out if this account is real. Did they buy followers? Is the engagement on there pretty good? Is it decent? Is people really clicking on their stuff? Are people liking their stuff? Or they just buy a bunch of fake likes, a lot of fake comments, and pretend that they have a really good page. So we could type in woodwork, woodworking, woodwork, world. So if you look at it, there's engagement here, but we don't know if this page is actually what it says it is. So as you can see right here, there's like tips, there's tricks, improve your workflow with our tools. So they're selling tools. You could tell that they're selling tools. So if you go to woodwork and you go here as well, you see woodwork design. All right, you can look at this, look at these pages. So even if the page is at 20,000, so remember I was telling you that with the engagement, it will tell you how much the engagement is going to be. Okay. Now, I already did all my research already, and I already found a very, very good Instagram account because I already did some research. And as I said, you just need an hour to really come through here, and you're going to sift through all the different accounts and you could try it. So for this engagement calculator, they only give you three trials for free. So make sure you do your research. If you want to pay for it, you could pay for this tool if you want. So the name of the website is called planks.com. And when you go planks.com, you could sign up and you could search as much as you want if you pay for it. But for the free trial, as I said, it's going to be free. Now I found this woodworking underscore geeks. They have 21,000. Their engagement rate is 3.17. So if you look right here, the average engagement for an account, which is 20,000, should be 2.43, right? And if it's over 20,000, it has to be 2.15. Do you see that? Now this is good. You could tell that the engagement on this is over the top, it's over, and it's going good. So pages like this is what you want to advertise. So right away, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be sending the Instagram page a message. So you're going to send them a message. I'm going to look at it. This is what it looks like. They got stories going on, right? They have link here. There's a link. They're already advertising. It seems like they're advertising the same thing or other woodworking plan. So if they're already advertising, you can still reach out to them. Hey, I would like to know if you are, do you do shout outs on your page? Do you do this? Because most of these accounts, they will charge you, and it's small amount of money. It's like $5 for a shout out, $10 for a shout out. So if you could put a little bit of money in there, then immediately you can get a return, because once somebody start buying, in which these pages, people buy. So imagine you get 2 sales, you spend $20 and you get 2 sales. That's $108. I would say $109. So subtract 20 that you spend, or 25, you're still good with $75 in your pocket. So this is business, and that's how you have to do it over and over again. So all you have to do is just set it up, do it the right way, and you can start crushing it out there. So again, make money online doing an hour of work, and you can make $100 doing the same method. So apply what I teach you. That's how you're going to go out there and crush it. If you haven't yet so far, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And if you want to build your page, so if you want to build your page, right? you want to go to Google Docs. And when you go to Google Docs, let's say this right here, you want to create a page. You could screenshot this. So screenshot this. Screenshot, you can screenshot that guy. So you screenshot this, head on over to Google Docs, click right here, click on this, insert image, upload from computer, desktop, get it from here, paste it, and then you're going to grab your affiliate link as I mentioned earlier, grab your affiliate link, put it right here, right click, insert, apply. Now, this is all you need because the reason why most of these are going to be in the stories. So you can either screenshot it, send it to them, and they could use this so they could just put it up so people can click on it. If you want to get a little bit fancy, you can head on over to canva.com. And when you go to Canva, you can go to Instagram stories. And when you go to Instagram story, you can choose a blank one. Choose a blank one, upload. Let's say you want to upload an image. Let's say you want to upload this woodworking plan. Once we upload it and we click on this, it's taking its own sweet little time. Put it right here. You can make this a little bit smaller if you want. Make this small. Make this a little bit bigger. But you can change it up. You can tweak it. You can take your time and just bill it. It's not going to take you too much time. As you can see, this video is over 10 minutes. But I can create this with an hour work just to put it together. It's not going to look like that, of course. I just don't want to make this video too long, but you get the idea of where I'm going and how you could set this up. So just go to Canva. Canva is free. The only thing you're going to be paying for is for the shout outs. And once you pay for the shout outs, then you just give them your affiliate link. They're going to add the images to your story, not to your story, but to their story, like right here, so people can click and all that stuff. And then once they click on it, once they buy, you're going to be making money. All right. So don't forget to subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know if you really enjoy this video and check out my #1 recommendation in the description. I'll catch you on the next video.